Relay interpreting. In a relay race, one athlete passes the baton to a second athlete, who in turn passes the baton to a third athlete. In relay interpretation, one interpreter passes the message in one language to the next interpreter. In other words, in relay interpreting, two or more interpreters work together to create a language chain, which can be quite time-consuming. This mode is used in court if there is no interpreter available who speaks both the language spoken by the LEP court user and the language spoken in court. Let us say, for example, that a person who only speaks Quechua comes to court as a litigant in the United States. Let's also imagine that there is no interpreter available who speaks both Quechua and English, but there is one interpreter who speaks Quechua and Spanish and another one who speaks Spanish and English. Having no interpreter who is fluent in the required source and target languages, the court has to make do with these two interpreters, who would work together in relay interpreting. The first interpreter would hear the message uttered by the court user in Quechua and then express that message into Spanish in the consecutive mode. The second interpreter would then express that message into English in the consecutive mode as well. Other than being very time-consuming, relay interpreting compromises the accuracy of the interpretation. Interpreting is not an exact science because it is affected by the subjectivity, fatigue, degree of knowledge of each interpreter. Needless to say, the more interpreters involved in the relay, the higher the risk of compromising accuracy.
S'il vous plaît, juge.
Por favor, senor juez.
Please, Your Honor.